too drunk.
Hey you guys, so today we're working with WESTKISSHAIR, and these are all the goodies that come in the package when you purchase a wig from them. Jumping right into what the wig looks like when you open it, because that's what you guys came here for, right? So this is their 13x6 HD lace frontal wig. As you can see, it already comes curled, it comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So literally all you have to do is take it out of the bag and put it on. This is how the hairline looks up close. Everything looks so good, and there's so much parting space on this wig. There's also an adjustable strap for glueless wear. Now, a wig is nothing without layers. So I'm going to show you guys step by step on how I get my layers for a more thicker density and voluminous look. So I'm starting off with 4 sections in the front. I'm going to take diagonal sections, and there is where I want my first layer to start. So I'm going to start cutting there, and you literally want to just drag your scissors all the way down, making sure you're not cutting too much. You're just using your scissors in like a gliding motion. And that's about how much hair that I took out, and I'm just combing my section back to see if my layer is falling where I want it to be, or if I need to go back and cut again. I'm going to take that section right behind it and combine it together and drag my hand all the way down, and see right there, that's where my first layer stops. So that's where I'm going to start for the second section. So throughout the layering process, you want to make sure you are checking your work by finger combing through the hair, seeing if you got that desired volume that you're looking for, and seeing exactly where your layers are falling. So we're going to take another diagonal section directly behind the one we just got done with, and I'm going to use that shorter piece at the very top as my guide. I'm going to start cutting right where that shorter piece ends and glide my scissors down. This layering process is kind of self-explanatory. It's easier than it sounds and it looks. It's about how much hair comes out. It's not a lot of hair that comes out. A lot of people are so afraid of cutting layers into their hair because I think they're just chopping up their bundles, but really layers create the most beautiful, luxurious curls and so much volume and body. You don't want to have flat hair, because if you try to curl flat hair, the curls are not going to last. So layers, and I will show you guys layered in the video. Layers and pin curls are very, very crucial to getting that voluminous look that you are desiring. Now that I'm finished with my first section of layering, I'm going to clip that away, and I'm going to begin working on the other side. This is how you ensure that your layers are going to be even on both sides. This part is very, very important. You're going to take 2 triangular small sections, and you're going to use the shorter side, which is the side we already layered, and we're going to use that as our guide for the other side of the hair. Now that I have my guide for the second side of my hair, I can start layering all of my sections exactly the way I did the other side. So I went off camera and finished my layers on the other side, and immediately you can just see the difference in the wig. So much more volume. Now my curls are going to last all day and be much more voluminous. Okay guys, so I went off camera and curled the wig, and this is what it's looking like. I did put some pins in it to pin curl the hair so the curls can cool. If you guys want a curling tutorial, please comment that down below, and I will try to get that up very, very soon. I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig, and you guys can watch the process.
Get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's get why your girl always wanna yeah. Drunk, yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty, No Uber ride at my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. Volume, layers. If you have a wig with lower density, adding layers will definitely give the illusion of thicker hair. This is honestly my new favorite wig for fall. We are in the fall season and a bust down middle part is what I usually wear in the fall. This hair to me gives like a natural jet black. I did not color it, it came like this. I love when companies have hair that already comes black and you don't have to dye it. As always, the links to this hair will be down below. Make sure you check the description box. If you made it this far, comment the word brown and also what other videos you would like to see on my channel. When you comment these keywords at the end, it lets me know who watches my videos all the way through. So when I have giveaways or wig giveaways in the future, I know what accounts to consider. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next